Yo, what's good, YouTube? We're back with another video on a vlogging channel, and if you're watching from the gaming channel, today is going to be a video of me unboxing a specific thing. Now, if you paid attention to what I said in my gaming channel, how I'm a Sonic fan and all this, and how I'm gonna start doing Sonic games a little bit more frequent, and I just kind of been talking about that, how I'm a Sonic fan, but stop playing Sonic games for a bit. But now that you guys know, I will be doing Sonic videos on my gaming channel a little bit more. Sonic unboxings, all types of showcases, maybe doing animations all over again. And yeah, now to the people that's on my vlogging channel, this package that I got right here in my hand, I went all the way to Cherry Hill for it. I know, Cherry Hill, New Jersey, 30-degree weather. I vlog, I real fan, I ride trains to places. I know, it's crazy. So, what I got right here, it's a Jakks Pacific Sonic figure. And I remember when these were popular. It was a couple of them online. And yeah, this is actually my first time getting my hands on one. I never actually had a Jakks Pacific figure. I had a plush. As a matter of fact, let me try to find it. It's somewhere in here. Might not be able to find it. I'm not sure where it's at. Yeah, I'm not really sure where it's at, but oh, there we go. Found it. I think this is the Jakks Pacific. I'm not sure. Maybe it is. But yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Plush, Sonic plush. And so yeah, this is my first time actually getting my hands on one. You can see I got the Sonic one. There's a Tails one. I have seen the Tails ones the Tails one at Cherry Hill, the Tails one with the emerald. I was only able to get one because I was only planning to get one. I didn't know there was going to be a Tails one, because the first time I actually, not the first time, but the second time I actually went to Cherry Hill, I actually went to that Five Below, and I was like, that's one of those things I saw online, and I was like, okay, let me get that next time. Let me save money for now, since it's my first time actually getting on a train coming to here. So again, this is my third time actually going there, and I got my hands on one of these. So I will be opening and unboxing this. Let me try to turn the camera, pull it down so you guys can unbox it. Okay, here it goes. See the little ring right there. Classic Sonic. Next time I will get the Tails one. Yeah. So how should I open this? I'm gonna try to open it like this. I don't know if I'm opening it right. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Yeah, I don't think I am. But it's still kind of, it must be something I could kind of poke my finger through back here, maybe. I think it's right here. Nope. Oh, I just poked my finger through it. Yep. Okay. Just opening it up. Man, I used to see this on YouTube a lot. I haven't really actually got my hands in it till now. Taking out the package. It's pretty cool, man. Like, look at that. Got classic Sonic, the ring. I do collect a wide variety of figures, Sonic figures and plushes. I actually have a Funko Pop right here. Well, not a Funko Pop. Wait, yeah, it is a Funko Pop. It's like a keychain, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Still got it in the box. I have a Sonic, I forgot what it's called, but a Sonic fruit candy thing box over there. I just collect them. Have a lot Sonic stuff, Sonic merch, I guess. So now, how would I take this out? Yeah, let me think. I'm trying to take it out without breaking anything or mishandling anything, as these are really kind of hard to get without. I'm trying to be as careful as possible without breaking anything. I'm gonna just try to, yeah, it's kind of hard. Right? The ring was easy to pop out. Look at it. See the ring? 10 ring. Okay, now I gotta pop out Sonic. Nope. Okay. I think I got it out. Ah, it's like stuck right here. Okay. There we go. So guys, as you see it right here, here's the official Jakks specific Sonic figure. Can move it, do all that, the legs. Pretty cool. Like he's running. I think the arm just, like the hand just stays like that. I could try to make it seem like he's like running. Look at that. Cool, right? And I don't know, but I feel like I remember seeing him hold the ring or something. Now, I don't know if that was just a different one or if that was this one. I'm not really sure. Now, let me try to, maybe I can kind of fit the ring right here or something like that. I'm not sure. Pretty cool though. You have the Jakks specific Sonic ring, 10 ring, and Sonic himself, classic Sonic himself. Just kind of posing like this. Pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing right here. Try to pose Sonic for the camera. Maybe lay the ring right here. Wait, what is that? It's like a little hook or something. Not sure. It's like this little hole right here. I don't know what it is. Maybe it was something that I dropped on my floor. Nope, nothing's on my floor. Except for just nonsense. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, this figure's cool, but yeah. See you guys in the next video or so. Next vlogging video, unboxing, something like that. And yeah.